This is a video on how to replace the switch right here in any of your 2005 to 2008 Porsches. First thing you're going to want to do, there are these two holes right here, one right here and one down here. You have to undo a fastener in there. At that point, you can pull up on this. There's going to be a little wire right there. You're going to unplug. Let's go walk this over to the bench. At this point, you will flip this over and you have these 4 tabs. You're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4. Pry these back, pry this back, pry that back. That'll fall out. You're gonna take your new one and then you're going to essentially click it into place, make sure it's the right orientation, just like this. Should snap in. Okay. Perfect. And then you're gonna go. So on mine, the front switch here, kind of broke. Anyways, take this back. Okay. Go to the car. You're gonna go plug it back in with that connector right there. That goes right there. Click this back into place into the car, and then you are all done. I ended up ordering this this switch on Amazon, and I'll link that in the description below. Hope this helps someone out. So the problem I was having was, here's the front trunk. See that little white collar right there? I pull up on the button, doesn't really go down. Whereas on the rear, pull up, it's a nice detent down. So with the front, you pull up, and just wouldn't really go down enough unless you kind of do a little weird orientation. See how this button's all loose? So swap this out, and it's now good as new. As you can tell, you'll see it right here. Go over, works every time.